everyone. Today I will be explaining how soap and detergent works and their application in our daily life. Soaps are sodium or potassium fatty acid salts. Soaps are produced from the neutralization reaction between fatty acid and alkaline. I will give two examples of soap. First is sodium laurate that came from coconut oil, and second is sodium palmitate, which the source is from palm oil. Next is detergent. Detergents are non-soaps cleaning agents. Detergents are sodium salt of sulfonic acid. Detergents are usually made from synthetic sources, for example, petroleum fractions. Soaps and detergents act as emulsifying agents because soap and detergent molecules are soluble in oil or grease and water. When soap or detergent is dissolved in water, soap or detergent molecules dissolve to form sodium ion or potassium ion. Now, let's look at cleansing action of soap and detergent. First, when we are adding soap or detergent to water, it will reduce the surface tension of water. This increases the water's ability to wet the surface of the cloth. Second, soap or detergent will ionize in water to produce free-moving soap anions or detergent anions. Third, the hydrophilic parts of soap anions or detergent anions dissolve in water. The hydrophobic parts dissolve in grease. Fourth, movement of water during rubbing and agitation causes grease to pull away from the surface of the cloth. Next, the hydrophilic parts of soap anions or detergents surround the grease. Grease floats to the surface of water. Lastly, grease will break into small droplets. The small droplets will not reattach to the surface of the cloth due to the repulsion of negative charges of the hydrophilic parts on the surface of the grease. The droplets are suspended in water, forming an emulsion. Rinsing with water causes the surface of the cloth to become clean because the grease droplets are left in the water. Now let's look at the comparison of cleansing action between detergent and soaps. Water that contains magnesium ion and calcium ion is called as hard water. Soap anions combine with cations to form insoluble salt that called as scum. The formation of scum causes wastage of soap because more will be needed for cleansing action. Detergent anions also combine with the cations to form soluble salts in water. Therefore, the effectiveness of detergent cleansing action is not affected by hard water. Now, let's look at the comparison of effectiveness cleansing action between soap and detergent. There are three aspects that we will be looking at. Firstly is effectiveness in soft water, next is hard water, and the third is in acidic water. For soap and detergent, they are both effective as a cleaning agent in soft water. Next, effectiveness in hard water. For soap, it is less effective because of the formation of scum. And for detergent, it is effective in hard water because no scum is formed. For effectiveness in acidic water, for soap, it is not effective due to the formation of insoluble organic acid. For detergent, it is effective in acidic water because organic acid is soluble. There are also additives in detergents to make it better as a cleaning agent. For example, it is used as fragrances. The function is to enhance the fragrance of the detergent and fabric. For example, jasmine and lavender. Next, it is used as a biological enzyme. It is to remove protein stains such as blood, milk, and sugar. For example, we use protease to remove protein stain. Next, for whitening agent, it is to change dirt to a colorless substance. For example, sodium perborate and sodium hypochlorite. That's all for now. Thank you for listening.